Welcome to the video. Today we'll be doing basic stomach exercises to help you build those flaming abs. Now, before we start with this exercise, I'm going to put a disclaimer that building abs requires a combination of steps that starts with trimming down total body fat and doing stomach exercises to help define existing muscles. With all of those combined, you'll be able to build the abs of your dreams. Now let's get into the video. To comfortably do these exercises, you need an anti-bus gym ball and a mat. Let's start warming up. This is a quick punch and a leg tap to activate those stomach muscles. Switch this up a bit by adding a squat to that standing stomach crunch. Now we should be a bit warm at this point, so let's get that ball and mat and start working through the core muscles. When you're ready, you can lie flat on your back, feet up, and put the ball between your legs. We're going to toss the ball from the feet to the hands and do both the left and the right. There we go. You should be feeling your core muscles by now. Now we're going to hold up. Try and hold as still as you can. Well done. Now let us try that facing the other side. Make sure that we keep warm throughout these exercises. We're going to go back to those initial punches before we carry on with the stomach exercises. To ensure that we still keep those abs working, we're gonna add a twist to this one. Give me a kick instead of a leg tap. this one. Now reach out for the ball. We're going to do a full front stomach crunch standing. Degrees body twist to this crunch, so we also do the sides. Make sure you hold at the end of this one just to make sure it's more effective. Now we're going to repeat these crunches facing the other direction so you can see what the movements look like. Way to go! I'd like to end this session on a high note, so we're going to go back to those kicks and see if we can rev up with a bit of cardio. Enjoy! Well guys, we've reached the end of the session. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos. See you on the next one.